Alright, progress day 3. Today is the 6th of October. And, see here, made some headway. Got the clear coat and maybe a half a coat of paint off that. And moving on up. Condition of the spark plugs. The front one's rich. That's what that told me. Still haven't touched the coil. Noticed I may have dropped the bike outside before I brought it in. That's what I get for definitely doing one-man things that require two men. So, took the fender off, 4 bolts. I'm a hero for doing that because, 4 bolts take such effort. Took a hero's effort. I don't know, whatever. Sanded this down to pretty much bare metal. It was, you can see the chip. This whole thing had a big chip, so I was like, let's see how easy this sands. And it sanded pretty easy, so I'm just going to repaint it. So I don't like red. Not a fan. So, yep, that's my progress so far. And yeah, I think I'm just going to cut it off there. Cannot wait to ride this. I'm just going to keep doing things to it all winter long. It'll keep me out of, keep me out of trouble and, a little therapy or whatever. Sure beats working on it in the cold. Gotta get done. Yeah, you'll hear it first thing come spring. Yep. I'm gonna put a couple more miles on this motor. $87,054 with a 9. Yeah. I haven't seen 120 mile an hour out of it yet. I've seen 105 kicking and screaming though. It's only a 5-speed. I want a transmission so bad. Open her up. Sooner or later. What else did I do? I put those bolts back in where they go. So I'm not looking for them later. Okay. And the bolt for gas tank is with the gas tank. So, yep, one last walk around of the 1991 FLHS. Hogley, Davidson, fuel-sucking monstrosity. Apparently those are 88 jugs on this 1340 block. I don't know, maybe not, who knows, they don't match, so who knows, this might have been a chopper. I don't care, it's mine. Title matches the VIN, and that all is cool, so. I think when I'm done with it, you're actually going to need a key to start it. See ya.